Just weighing my option. Playing two sides at the same time. Might just looking up in problem, cause huh?
I said that's why my toothbrush removed.
And I cheat, just I date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it raw. If you try to stop me from do what I want, boy, you can't give me no talk. Just a little girl and I play my part. If you fall in love, then that's your fault. Me know say it might sound crazy, but to me, you have to share me. You are not me one. To me, nothing explanation. Journey by the ice! Where there? Where is ice? Ice, come! Hey boy. You take time to sneak out here. Come. And then know your eyes. Can you know when you know. Come, ice, come. Don't learn to sneak out. You're okay, you're gonna get catch. You're grounded for 2 weeks. Come. You feel me now? Come, Mr. Come see your phone. Come make one call. Come call Emmy, come. See your phone. Hey. Your phone. You love your phone? When Naya gone? When Naya? Hello?
Yes.
I can't see. I will do the same thing to Cindy not have no blood clot behavior. She don't have nothing about her. Why she hang up on me like that? Wow. Them are deny me request. Hello?
I just came on. I can give you a follow and we can battle later if you want.
Huh? Oh, she look like shit for real. You full of yourself though, man. No, this is when you're full of shit for true, man. I don't tell her like, I have to say it. Because you can't, why not just say, why not just say, you know I just got on live, so I'm going to play later on. But that the facial, the way I'm giving that the facial expression, they like him, and then when I say, see me, while and him tell me say, to other can't take him out people then. Jesus, afraid to send somebody as my request. Leave him, Ice. Cause whether they not hang up on me, they might be rude. I'm afraid.
I said zoek weer als mensen wordt like mensen op die live.
Yo.
Okay.